Lecture 136, Bizarre Taste and Smell Disorders. Slide 1, start. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your coffee tastes like gasoline or that you can suddenly taste colors. These aren't scenarios from a science fiction novel. They're real conditions that affect people worldwide. Welcome to our exploration of bizarre taste and smell disorders, where we'll venture into the mysterious world of sensory perception gone awry. Before we dive into the bizarre, let's understand the normal. Your ability to taste and smell involves an intricate dance between thousands of receptors, neural pathways, and brain regions. But what happens when this delicate symphony goes out of tune? Meet Sarah, a 34-year-old chef who woke up one day with a peculiar condition called dysgeusia. Suddenly, everything sweet tasted intensely bitter. Chocolate became revolting, fruits were unbearable, and her career, her very passion, was in jeopardy. But dysgeusia is just the beginning. Let's explore phantogeusia, where people experience taste sensations without any stimulus. Imagine tasting metal constantly or experiencing bursts of sweetness while drinking water. These phantom tastes can persist for months or even years. Perhaps even more perplexing is mirror taste synesthesia. These individuals can taste what they see others eating. When they watch someone bite into a lemon, their own taste buds explode with citrus sensation. It's a reminder that our sensory experiences are far more complex than we imagine. Moving to smell disorders, we encounter phantosmia, the olfactory equivalent of phantom tastes. Sufferers might smell burning rubber, rotting flesh, or chemical odors that aren't present. These phantom smells can be so convincing that people have evacuated their homes, believing there was a gas leak. Then there's parosmia, where familiar smells become distorted. Coffee might smell like sewage, roses like rotting meat. This condition gained widespread attention during the COVID-19 pandemic, but it's been puzzling scientists for decades. One of the most fascinating conditions is specific anosmia, the inability to smell specific odors while other smell capabilities remain intact. Some people can't smell vanilla, others can't detect the scent of violets. It's like having a selective mute button for certain smells. But what happens when taste and smell disorders combine? Enter gourmand syndrome, a rare condition where brain injuries lead to an obsessive preoccupation with fine food. Patients develop an intense interest in cooking and eating that wasn't present before their injury. Equally mysterious is burning mouth syndrome, where patients experience constant burning sensations along with taste distortions. Imagine feeling like you've just eaten a hot pepper all day, every day, with no relief in sight. The impact of these disorders extends far beyond mere inconvenience. Depression, anxiety, and social isolation are common companions. How do you maintain relationships when every shared meal becomes an ordeal? How do you enjoy life when your sensory world has become a funhouse mirror? But there's hope on the horizon. Researchers are developing new treatments, from nerve stimulation to sensory retraining protocols. Advanced brain imaging is revealing the neural basis of these disorders, bringing us closer to effective treatments. As we conclude our journey through these bizarre disorders, remember that our senses are both more remarkable and more fragile than we often realize. The next time you enjoy your favorite meal or smell a flower, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity of your sensory system. Join us next time as we explore more mysteries of human perception. Until then, keep questioning, keep wondering, and keep exploring the extraordinary world of science.